Hi guys, this is our part number 3 of the real irrigation canal design. We will create a surface profiles in this chapters. So let's go start. We will create the profile one by one. We have to see our alignment number 1 and surface number 1. We create the surface profile. Just come in home tab, profile view, click down. And here you see the create the surface profiles. Just select your alignment from here, otherwise you can choose from here and just select if you don't remember name. And same like this is the surface, you select from here if you know. If you don't know, then just select it from here and hit enter. And here you say the add. So our surface profile is the add, try in profile. The options are here, the general, the alignment name, profile name. If you want to give to, you can give name. I give to A1, or you can leave it as it. And in the next you see the station range, station from here to here. If you want to control your station, then you can change here user specify and change the stations here. Otherwise leave it the same automatics. Then you go to next. In profile view, what we will see, the minimum elevation or maximum elevation, same as alignment. Here you can use the user specified, you can change your elevations, otherwise leave it to the automatics. Okay, then go to the next profile display. What is will be displayed in the profile, you see, should be select here dynamic. Here style is the existing, label will change the letter, or here is the given also. Then go to next, see the data band. Data band we leave as it is, and later we will customize again. Okay, then next hatch we don't want here. Then create the profiles just one by one. Here we have to put the profile number 1. See that you can see the profile. This is coming from the hill, how much the down. Later we'll create the design profiles, and or cross sections means daylights. Then we'll see anything to here. This is the complete. Then come to here in the second. Go to same way here. Create the surface profiles and select from here the our alignment number 2, and surface also we have to select it number 2 from here, or you can pick from your drawing. Then say to add, already added, and say to draw the profile. Then we'll create the direct from here. Just click, this is the number 2. Then we have to come in the our alignment number 3 here. Just not to select from here, just select from here. Create the surface profiles, select your alignments. I'm selecting number 3, and also we have to select the our same the surface, add, and say to draw profile and create the profile. Give to locations here. This is the number 3. Then we have to come in the number 3 is created. Then we have to choose the 4, number 4. Where is the number 4? Our alignment. We not forget, otherwise this is the number 4. So again we have to select from create surface profiles here, and alignment number 4 you select the name, and also here select the surface also for add, draw, and create the profile. Give to locations where you want to put. Just I want to put here. Okay, select like that. Another one number 5, or you can choose another one. Just we can choose here number the 6 is the here, and where is the number 5? Oh, this is the number 8, 4 and 6. This is the, and number 5, where is the number 5? We have to go to in the 5 number. We have to check this is the 5 number. Then profile creation, creation surface profile. Just select here. This alignment number is the 5, and you come here and select your surface 5 and add. Then say to draw and create the profile view and give the locations. I am giving to here. Okay, number 5 surface is the created profile. Then again we have to go to in the 6, create the surface profiles. Come and select here alignment number 6. Okay, then you come here and select the number 6 here. Okay, add, create, and give to locations where you want to put here. Then again we have to go to here, create the surface profiles, give to alignment number 7 is only alignment, but we don't have the surface data, so direct we have to go to number 8. We not given number, I'm giving number there, drain. Okay, here drain, then drain 8, then we go to surface number 8, add, create profile view, and give to locations here. Profile has been come. Then go to next 9, create surface profile, alignment number 9, and surface also we have to select to here 9. Okay, add and create profile view, give to locations, see these locations. Go to next for the number 10, profile, create surface profile. Come here, select the alignment number 9, and here you select your surface 9, add. Oh, already we added here, see this one we have to remove. Okay, select and remove this one, so we don't want that. again and create the profile and give to here just. Okay, then we have to go for number 10, create surface profile, and select the alignment number 10, and surface is the 10 and 11. 8, create profile view, give to locations here. Okay, then again you go for the alignment 11, create surface profile, and we choose the 11 number here, and same surface 11 and 12 because this is the combined surface here. Add and create profile view, pick the locations. Then we have to go for number 12, create surface profile, choose the alignment number 12 and surface number 12, add and draw profiles, create profile views here. Then we have to go again, create surface profile, choose the number 13. We have to choose the number 13 and surface also is the 13. Add, draw in profile view, create the profile view, setting as same first one I told you, and again go here, profile, then choose the alignment number 14 and choose here the surface number also same the 14. Add in profile, draw in profile, and create the profile view and choose the here. Okay, then next one, create the surface profile here and choose the alignment number 15 and surface also 15. Then add in the profile, draw in profile view and create the profile view. Pick the locations of the surface profile where you want to put yes, and then next again select from here. Then you come here and choose the another alignment. Another alignment is the drain is there, and here surface number is the same there, drain. Okay, then add in profile and draw profile view and create surface profile here. Okay, then next again profile view, create the surface profiles, choose here the drain 1 already ready, drain number 2 here, and surface same is the drain, and add and draw in profile view and create the surface profiles. Then again you go here, create the surface profile and choose the drain number 2 already complete, that drain number 8, not drain number 8. We have to choose the drain number 2, and here we have to choose the surface is the drain. Add, oh, already we added here one drain already added. Okay, so here we have to remove it. Okay, then draw profile in view and create the surface profile. Profile is ready here. Okay, so all we created the surface, our canals, drains is ready now. In the next chapter we will create the design profile. In the same profile, then we assign the assembly, means the cross section. So please watch continuous and practice with me. If you want the datas, then send me your WhatsApp or email on the comment, so we'll supply to you the original datas and CAD file also. Thanks for watching.